Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today, in this video, we'll explain how to extract bin files using 7-zip in Windows PC so you can access the contents of bin files easily without any extra tools. Step 1, make sure 7-zip is installed on your Windows PC. 7-zip is a free file archiver that supports many formats, including bin, and it integrates directly into the right-click menu. Step 2, locate the bin file you want to extract on your computer. This helps you confirm the correct file before starting the extraction process. Step 3, right-click on the bin file and hover your mouse over the 7-zip option. This opens the extraction menu with different ways to unpack the file. Step 4, click Extract Here or Extract to Folder Name from the 7-zip menu. Extract Here places the files in the same location, while the folder option keeps them organized. Step 5, click OK. Wait for the extraction process to finish. Once completed, you can open the extracted folder and access all the files inside the bin archive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Windows tutorials.